Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to install Windows on a bare metal. So in the previous video we actually saw how to install Windows to a bootable USB drive. So with that USB drive today we will actually be installing Windows 10 on a bare metal. So let's see how. Now that we have a bootable Windows 10 boot drive, to do that the link will be in the description. With the boot drive ready right now, we can actually go ahead and start off with installing Windows on a bare metal. So now we'll be doing the first boot. You might have seen this is quite a mess right here. That is actually because I removed some stuff and modified it kind of. So the power button is not here. There's no connected from this here to here. There's no button there actually, and so I'll just be turning this thing on via the cable. So let's see. The first button and the third. So just spin the fan once and the HDD is running right here. Just feel the vibration a bit, that's enough to get to know. So now let's see what happens to the boot screen. Okay, so now I'll just be powering it on once again. That was just a demo some time ago. Now I'll actually plugged in the keyboard, mouse, boot drive, power, HDMI and everything. So yeah, let's get started. So first I just power it on like this. Wait, I have just shown that, right? Powered on. Oh, not yet. Once again. Click escape. And now we are in the boot menu. Right? So, where's the camera pointing? Okay, there we go. We just click F9. That's for boot options. Let's see what have we got in here. We've got some boot options. I'll be going with the boot drive, that is the SanDisk Ultra. Let's just zoom out and go there. Okay. Something should come right now, like a Windows boot. Let's just see it. Hopefully it comes. Yes, a Windows finally. So now it asks me the language and everything. I can actually use my mouse right now. Let's just go the language, blah blah blah. The time and currency format. I'm in India, so I'll just put India. Where is India, man? My mouse does not seem to be working. Okay, India. Keyboard, wait a second. It takes Hindi. I want English right now, so I'll just put English India. Okay, there we go. English India, and then click next. It asks you to install now, just click install right now. It shows setup is starting. Yeah, it is starting actually, so just give it some time. You see the hangy sand clock icon right here, right? So let it take some time. Okay, so it asks you for a product key. Well, I do have a product key and I do not want to show it on camera, so I'll just say I do not have a product key. Then it asks you the edition you want to install. We can go with any of these. I'll probably just go with Windows 10 Cloud. I'll click next. Yeah, it asks you to again, well, agree to the terms and conditions, that is the license terms and conditions, which we already agreed to while doing the boot drive. We'll just agree again because we are okay with it. So now it asks which type of installation you want to do. So upgrade meaning it keeps file settings and applications that are from the previous install, but just had Linux running previously, so I think that just installs Windows. Custom, you can just click here and see. It shows the partitions and everything. I can just delete every partition to create one big partition. Okay. Okay, I have the one big 500 GB hard disk partition right here. Just click next. Now it will copy Windows files, get files ready for installation, it will install features, install updates, and then finally you can get finished. So I'll leave this to get finished and resume the video. Till then the video is paused and no fast forwarding this time because it takes a really long time. Okay, now we have Windows booting up. Now you see that the tiny moving thing which only exists in Windows, so that I think it means that Windows is installed. So let's just wait some time to confirm it. So it says getting devices ready, starting services. Let's just see what happens next. Okay, so now it actually shows the Windows boot screen or the load screen. We'll just wait some time and see how it is. Okay, so now it shows the region. Just click OK because that's right. Let's wait some time. Now it says keyboard layout. Mine is actually English US, so United States International. Yup. I don't want to add a second keyboard layout, so just skip it. Okay, it asks for network connection right now. I just don't want to connect to any network for this video's sake. Let's just say I don't have a network. It asks for all of the cloud stuff because I'm not connecting to internet. There's no use of the cloud, so I just say continue with limited setup. And in just some time, it will be up. Okay, it asks who's gonna use this PC, so basically a login screen name I'll just keep as admin. A memorable password I'll just keep it blank as of now. Okay, it asks choose privacy settings, that is location, diagnostics data, tailored experience, find my device, syncing and typing, advertising ID, everything. I just don't want any, so I just unchecked everything and say accept. Okay, Cortana, I don't want Cortana right now, not now. Okay, the usual Windows setup. Hi, we're getting everything ready for you. And then it says this might take us several minutes, don't turn off your PC, so I'm just gonna let it do that. Till then, I am gonna pause the video and come back. Okay, so now that it's done, you can finally see a Windows desktop boot up. And here we are. We have a completely Windows installed device ready, up and running. So that's all. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.